Hello kids, I welcome you all to your English class. Dear children, today we will be doing book reading of page 42 and 43. So quickly go and get your English books. Yes students, now take out page number 4 to 42 of your English book and now let us do the book reading Jill in a Pit. On this page we are being told about a boy named Jill who is in a pit. What is a pit? Pit means khadda. Okay, now quickly let us start. Jim was a kid. Beta, Jim is the name of a boy. See, he is Jim. Okay? Jim was a kid. Kid means bacha. Okay? Jim was a kid. See, he is Jim and Jim was a kid. जिम क्या था? एक बच्चा था. Kid dig a pit. What was the kid doing? The kid was digging a pit. Dig means खोदना. So, who was a kid? Jim was a kid, right? So, what was Jim doing? Jim was digging a pit in the ground. See, Jim is using this spade to dig a pit in the ground. Dig मतलब मैंने आपको क्या बताया? खोदना. जिम इस स्पेड की हेल्प से ग्राउंड में एक खड्डा खोद रहा था. ओके? Jill was a kid with a wig and a bib. Now, earlier we were talking about Jim who was a kid, but now we are talking about Jill. Now, who is Jill? You want to know? Let me show you. See, this is Jill. Okay? And you know who is Jill? Jill was a kit. Here, the meaning of kit is kitten. So, tell me, what is a kitten? The baby of a cat is called a kitten. With a wig and a bib. What is a wig? Wig is the artificial hair. And what is a bib? Bib is a piece of cloth that is used for small babies when they eat or drink the milk. See, Jill is wearing a wig and a bib. This is a wig and this is a bib. Jill fell in the big pit. Now you know what happened to Jill? Jill fell in the big pit. Big means बहुत बड़ा. Jill has fallen into the big pit. Now let us see what happened next. There was a bin near the pit. You know, there was a bin near the pit. See beta, this is a bin. You know what is a bin? Bin is used for throwing waste papers. You know this now? Good. Now, next page. Beta, take out page number 4343. Now, let us see what happened next. Jim jumped on the bin. Now, see, when Jim saw that Jill has fallen into the big pit, he jumped on the bin. उसने bin के ऊपर jump किया. Its lid fell into the pit. Now, what is lid? Lid means किसी भी डिब्बे का ढक्कन. बेटा, when Jim jumped on the bin, then the lid of the bin fell into the pit. ये देखो, जब उसने बिन के ऊपर जंप किया तो जो बिन का लिड था यानी ढक्कन था वो पिट में यानी खड्डे में गिर गया. Jill gave a yell and hit the lid. What is yell? Yell means to shout loudly. बेटा, जिल ने जोर से शाउट किया एंड हिट द लिड, और उसने जोर से शाउट करते हुए जो लिड था उसको हिट किया, जोर से उसको मारा. दैट्स वाई द लिड फेल इनटू द पिट. जिम सेड, जिल सिट इन द पिट. नाउ जिम ने क्या बोला? जिम ने जिल से कहा कि तुम पिट में बैठी रहो. सी, जिम आस्क्ड जिल टू सिट इन द पिट. आई एम हेयर. जिम ने जिल से कहा तुम यहीं बैठी रहो, मैं यहीं पे हूं. आई एम हेयर. आई कैन गेट यू आउट. मैं तुम्हें यहां से बाहर निकालूंगा. Jim came to the pit to save the kit. Now, you know what happened then? बेटा, Jim came to the pit. जो जिम था वो पिट खड्डे के पास आया. Why? क्यों आया वो? To save the kit. किट को बचाने के लिए वो पिट के पास आया. Okay? Now, let us read both the pages. Jim was a kid. Kid dig a pit. Jill was a kit with a wig and a bib. Jill fell in the big pit. There was a bin near the pit. Now next page 43. Jim jumped on the bin. Its lid fell into the pit. Jill gave a yell and hit the lid. Jim said, Jill, sit in the pit. I am here. I can get you out. Jim came to the pit to save the kit. Now children, it's time to do dictation of page 42 and 43. So quickly take out your English notebooks. Yes children, write down date and day and write down the heading of dictation, page 4 to 42. Now beta, write down number 1. Jim, capital J, J-I-M, Jim, was, W-A-S, was, a kid, K-I-D, kid, full stop. Jim was a kid. Speak up. Jim was a kid. Write down number 2. Kid, capital K, K-I-D, kid, dig, D-I-G, dig, a pit, P-I-T, pit, full stop. Kid dig a pit. Number 3. Jill, capital J, I, Jill was a was a kit. Kit. Put a comma here. Jill was a kit, comma, with with a wig. Wig and and a bib. Bib. Put a full stop. Jill was a kit with a wig and a bib. Write down number 4. Jill fell, capital Jill, Jill fell, fell, in the, in the, the big pit, big, big, pit, pit, full stop. Jill fell in the big pit. Number 5. There was, there was, was, a bin, bin, near, near, the, the, pit, pit, full stop. There was a bin near the pit. Now beta, first let us revise this page. Then we will be doing the next page of dictation. Okay. Now speak after me. Jim was a kid. Kid dig a pit. Jill was a kit with a wig and a bib. Jill fell in the big pit. There was a bin near the pit. Now, my dear children, take out the next page of your English notebook. Now, children, on the next page of your English notebook, write down date and day, and also write down the heading dictation page 4343. Now write down here number 1. Jim jumped, Jim, jumped, 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 on the bin, on, the, the, bin, bin, full stop. Jim jumped on the bin. Number 2. Its lid, its lid, lid, fell into, fell into, into, the pit, the pit, pit, full stop. its lid fell into the pit. Number 3. Jill gave, Jill, Jill gave, Gave, gave a yell, a yell, 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 and hit, and, and hit, Hit, hit the lid, the lid, Lid, lid. Jill gave a yell and hit the lid. Number 4. Jim said, Jim, Jim said, 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 comma. Now inverted commas start. Beta, these are the inverted commas. Okay? Jill sit, Jill, Jill sit in the sit in in the the pit pit. I am here. Here you will put a full stop. Then you will write down here I am, am here, here. Again put a full stop here. Then write down I can get, can get, get you out, you out, out. Now here inverted commas close and put a full stop. Right? Clear बच्चे? Number 5. Jim came, write down Jim, Jim, came, came to the pit, the pit, pit, put a comma here, to save the kit, save, save the kit, the kit, kit, full stop. Okay. Jim came to the pit to save the kit. Now children, let us revise all the dictation sentences once more. Jim jumped on the bin. Speak up bete. Jim jumped on the bin. Its lid fell into the pit. Its lid fell into the pit. Jill gave a yell and hit the lid. Jill gave a yell and hit the lid. Jim said, Jill sit in the pit. I am here. I can get you out. Beta, in this sentence, take care that where you are to put comma and where you are to put the inverted commas. Okay? Next, Jim came to the pit to save the kit. Jim came to the pit to save the kit. Now, my dear children, you are to write down all these dictation sentences in your notebooks. So, thank you. Have a good day.